And another one. Another scenic spot. Hard work. There is some beautiful scenic spots with this snow coming down like this. This is, I think, one of them in front of the church. Really pretty. Trees loaded with snow there. So you got the good and the bad. They have a spaghetti dinner tomorrow at St. Catharines, Siena, and Duncansville. So I guess they're getting ready by clearing the parking lot for that spaghetti dinner. Here's the front of the church, St. Catharines, Siena. Here comes the plow that cleared it. Oh, here, what's your name?
Ron.
Ron? You plow all the snow here at the church, I take it?
I plow the church lot for
I bet this was a big job today.
It took me 3 hours, 15 minutes so far.
Is that right?
Yeah.
That was a pretty heavy snow. How many inches do you think we got?
Well, up at the house in Valley Forge we had 24.
24 inches. Yeah. Is that right? Gentleman even had to put chains on his truck, even though it's a four-wheel drive truck, to get through all the snow. Has a salt sprayer on the back there to put the salt down on the road.